How to trim or cut video in CapCut on PC. This is really simple to do, so let's dive right into the video. First, make sure you have the footage you want to trim or cut. I will also share shortcuts to help you work more efficiently. To trim your video, go to the end of the clip where you will see a trim icon. Simply drag it to adjust the length of the video. You can do this at the beginning of the video as well. If you want to cut manually, use the shortcut Ctrl+B, which will cut the video exactly where your cursor is on the timeline. You can remove sections in between by selecting them and then using the shortcut Ctrl+X. Simple, right? Lastly, if you want to delete everything to the left or right of a specific point on the timeline, go to the desired position and use the shortcut Q to delete everything to the left, or W to delete everything to the right. And here we go. Now you know how to trim or cut video in CapCut on PC. This is all what you need to know. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe if you want more tutorials like this.